Hi, I wanted to introduce you to uploading Office Mix to your computer. Uploading Office Mix to your computer is very easy to do, and everybody at the University of West Georgia has access to it. So the first thing you'll see here on this screen recording that I'm doing right now in Office Mix, it's on the University of West Georgia's homepage. What you're going to do is you're going to go into ITS. So if you go into Current Student, Student ITS, and then you click here where it says Microsoft Office 365. This will take you to the portal that you will use to upload Microsoft Office, the 365 version, which is Microsoft, I believe it's now Microsoft 2013. It could be Microsoft 2016 because it has upgraded to 2016. So if you don't have 2013 on your computer, or you need a higher version of Microsoft Office, you will need to do this. It's very simple. Just click here to portaloffice.com. When you go into this website, you'll end up using your University of West Georgia website. You can see here, this is my University of West Georgia website. It will sign you in. The nice thing is that you can use this on up to 5 computers. So if you have a laptop, I even have installed this at my parents' house. If I go in my parents' house and I want to do some work, I can install this on their device as well. So Microsoft Office 365, it's a wonderful perk of being a student at the University of West Georgia. So once you get Office 365, you will then go to Office Mix. So I'm just going to quickly show you how easy it is to download Office Mix. Once you have PowerPoint 2013, just type Office Mix in a Google search. Click on Office Mix. That will take you to the Office Mix tab. When you click on Get Office Mix, either in this location or this location, it will welcome you to a screen that will allow you to log on. Now, once again, because we have a student account and faculty accounts with Google, because of our Gmail, we can easily sign right in with Google. You can also do it with Facebook, where it says signing in with a work or school account. We don't have that specifically, so you can just go in and sign up with Google. So you choose your account if you have more than one like myself, and then you close your PowerPoint before starting. The download's going to start automatically, and then once that happens, I'm going to show you what happens. I'm going to pull my Microsoft PowerPoint over, and you will see here in PowerPoint that there's a new tab on your menu bar, and it's called the Mix tab. This Mix tab is going to enable you to do a lot of things that you've never been able to do before in PowerPoint. So one of the first things that you're going to end up being able to do is a slide recording. This slide recording is what you're going to need to do when you're doing your presentations. So you can see I'm over here in the thumbnail box, but I can also click over here on full screen. This way my video image would show up on the entire screen, or I can set it up as a thumbnail. Regardless of how you set it up, you can always adjust the size of the picture. To make sure that you see your webcam, you would go in here, and if you need any issues with your microphone, you can go in here as well. So when you're in here, you can click on record and actually record a screen recording of yourself. You can move between slides. You can move between animations. You can preview your slide recording, you can edit your slide recording, and then there's this thing called slide notes. I'm going to show you this really quickly because it's a great feature. So with slide notes, as you're familiar, hopefully, with PowerPoint, at the bottom of each slide is an area that says click to add notes. So I'm just going to type up this, copy and paste something really quickly, and paste it here. So now you can see that this text is under the notes section of this slide. So when I go into slide recording and I'm videotaping on this particular slide, it has right up here at the top what I want to say. So it acts as a teleprompter. It's a really great tool. The one thing that you have to worry about with Office Mix is you have to look at the camera. If you look at your PowerPoint screen it won't seem as if you're talking to your audience. It will look like you're talking to your screen. So you're going to have a little practice with this. You're going to have to memorize your slides a little bit, memorize what you want to say, use this teleprompter up here to collect your thoughts beforehand, and this way you can edit your PowerPoint slides as needed. Another nice feature about Office Mix is that each slide has its own separate recording. So if I move to the next slide, this is what will end up being recorded over this slide. So it's really nice on how that works. So getting back to your what you're going to be doing in PowerPoint is you will be creating your slides. You can also do a video a quiz in your PowerPoint, which you wouldn't need to do for your presentations. You can do the screen recording, which is exactly what I have been doing. With this screen recording itself, you can insert videos, insert audio. You can embed YouTube links and let that play. The only thing is that you can't record on something that's already been recorded, or it will give you an error message. So that's the only thing about that. So to follow up, once you click OK on the screen recording, you will notice that your slide, you go back to your slide deck, and your slide appears. Let me just scooch this down so this is large. And you can adjust this however you want on your slide. So oftentimes you might want to make it full screen, and you just stretch it into the corners. It can't go beyond the borders of the slide or it won't record properly. You can also create a thumbnail in case you wanted to, so if you have text on your screen in different areas, you can include the text on your screen in the different areas. So your picture could be here, it could be here, it could be over here, and it could be over here. So depending upon where you have text on your screen, that's where you would put your information. Notice that each video image or slide recording image, it has a play bar, a play menu at the bottom. This will allow you to play the information that you recorded. So you can see. Hi, I wanted to introduce you. So you can see how that works. Now the final thing that you're going to end up doing is you're going to end up saving your PowerPoint presentation, and you're going to end up uploading it to Google Docs or Google Slides. The reason why is you won't be able to email this to your professor because it's so big. The file's huge. So what you'll end up doing is going into your Google Slides. You can get there by going to your email, clicking into Google Slides. Once you're in Google Slides, you can click on this file folder over here, and you can upload any of the files from your computer in this location. Once you upload that, you will share it with your professor, and then they will end up having the PowerPoint themselves. So this is how you are going to go about uploading Office Mix to your computer. This is also how you're going to go about adding Office Mix to your PowerPoint, and how you're going to be uploading it to your Google Drive or your Google Slides. If you have any other questions, please let your professor know. There'll be another video that will go specifically into detail on how you will need to complete your project. Good luck and have fun having your creating an Office Mix.